Hello everyone. Today I am teaching how to make a Rakhi in your art class. Now let's start Rakhi making. The materials required. First, this is a molly thread, satin ribbon, any type of satin ribbon, sequins, decorative materials, this type of decorative materials, this type of motifs, any type of motifs, and dori also. You have to use a dori also, and matchbox for wrapping thread, scissor, Fevicol, and some beads also. Now this much you have to wrap and take out and then after that you have to in center hold and tight equally, you have to tight and then knot this way. Now you have to cut here first, and then in between also this way, and both side you have to cut, and then after that spread the threads around hole this way, and any extra thread you have to cut here just like this. At least equally all sides. Now after that you have to one more thread for back side. Now this is a double thread, use a molly, then back side any sheet of rough you have to cut a circle. Now use Fevicol. And then back side you have to paste it. This is a support for dolly. Now front, use any type of glittery sheet or any type of colored paper you also use, and do the circle, oval, any shape you have to want, you do it. I use a little bit oval circle, oval shape. This way. And any type of motif, I have a motif. You also use a sequence also, and any beads I have to paste here, and then after that I have to use a motif. Now this is a complete your Rakhi. Now we will make another Rakhi. This. First we use a satin ribbon, any type of satin ribbon. You cut the two size. First size is a 15 centimeter. This is a 15 centimeter, and this is a 7 to 10 centimeter. Okay, two size and four ribbons. 4 equal size and 4 equal size. And then how to paste? Now see. First, in between you have to press it. This way you have to paste, and all ribbons you have to paste just like this, and you keep the dry first. Now see, this way you have to complete it. First you dry, then after that you have to make the flower, this type of flower. First cross, now second also make a flower. This way. Now in center put a fevicol, and then small flower also you have to do inside, just like this. And then after that you have to use any motif. I say use a decorative material also. You have to want your decorative materials. You do it here. I have a motif, different type of motif. I have to paste it here. We'll paste here. And back side, dori, ribbon, any type of you have to want. I have a same color of ribbon. First you cut, and both side also you have to V shape cut. At least threads are not coming. Now see, this way. And in center you have to put a fevicol here little bit, and then in center you have to paste. another different ribbons color also you have to do. I have a same color, you use this one. And here also you want your stones. I have similar color stones. This way. Now see. This is it. I have to explain one more Rakhi. Now I will explain the next one. We can use old marriage cards. You have to make 3 different size of circle. And then after that you cut the all 3 circles. Now cut the 3 different size of circle. Then after that you have to fold just like this, and then second fold this way, and then cut it. In at least this much you have to cut. Thin lines you have to cut. Now open. This way. Nice. All 3 same pattern you have to cut. Now all 3 circles same patterns you have to cut. Now after that you use Fevicol in center. Now next small one we will be paste just like this. Everyone you see. Now after that you have to take any sequence, any motif just like this. This one also you use old Rakhi. Take old one Rakhi also. You have to use a Doria, any type of sequence just like this motif also. I have to paste here one flower and a small sequence. All around you use a lace also. You want your lace, you have a lace in home, you have to put the lace also in around. I have a sequence. Now this sequence all around the flower, this way. You want you more decorate, you have to take a sequence, you have to paste here. Okay, and then after that your back side you use a ribbon or dory. I have this one ribbon. And same back side you cut the V shape and then use a Fevicol and then paste it this way. And then you want to decorate here also, you have to decorate any type of sequence or materials. Then I have to explain, only I give you idea. This Rakhi, you cut a square, different colors, and then small square also, and sequence you use any type of color paper. Now your Rakhi making. Now this time you have to make a Rakhi in homemade Rakhi. Thank you. Have a nice day.